delta on an options chain. Well, now you know what delta means. Let's see where we can find it on an options chain. Let's look at the SPX index options chain. And for the specific expiry date, we're going to look at December options. So you have seen an options chain before. We have calls on the left, and we have puts on the right. And we have strike levels in this bar down the middle. Now, apart from the bid offer, which is the price that you can buy or sell each option at, we also have all these other columns. And these are the columns that contain the Greek sensitivities. In this video, we are going to focus on the delta column. So now you can see that the current price of the S&P is 46.53. So if we look at an option that is the same or very close to that strike in this expiry, and we look at the delta column, what do we see? So for the 46.55 calls, the delta is 0.49. And if we look at the same strike puts, we see the delta is 0.51 negative. So pretty close to 0.5, as you would expect for the at-the-money options. But what does that mean? Well, it means that if the SPX moves up by 1 index point, then the option will move by 0.5 of an index point. For the call option, the option will move up by 0.5. For the put option, it will move down by 0.5 because the put option has got a negative delta and the call option has got a positive one. Now, if we look at options with different strikes, what do we see? If we go up, we can see that these call options struck with higher strikes, the delta is moving down. If we keep on moving, we see that delta goes down to 0.35. We keep going. So with the spot price at 46.50, the call option with the strike of 47.70 or 47.65 even has got a delta of 0.249, as you can see here. Now that very same strike put option, that would be an in-the-money put. What do we know about in-the-money options? They have a delta that is greater than 0.5. So you can see that that put option has got a delta of minus 0.75. If we then go down the options chain towards downside strikes, well, we're going to see that put delta going down. You can see here that put delta on the downside, we're at 46.50 right now. If we go all the way down to 44.70 strike, that's where we have a negative 0.25 strike put. That is the out the money put. You then look across to the call with the same strike. Surprise, surprise, that call option has got a 0.75 positive delta. And in the money call obviously has a positive delta greater than 0.5, and we see 0.75. So you can see on this options chain that we can see the delta of the options for various strikes. And it agrees with what we've learned, that options that are out of the money have got lower deltas, and options that are in the money have got higher deltas in absolute terms. In the next video, we will look at delta hedging.